Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Fiverr, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Fiverr, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.fiverr.com and press enter. Once the Fiverr homepage loads, look for the join button at the top right corner. Click on the join button to proceed. You will now see options to sign up using your email, Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. If you prefer email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements listed. After entering your details, click on the Continue button. Next, you will receive a confirmation link in your email. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Fiverr. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the Fiverr website. If prompted, log in using your registered email and password. You can now complete your profile setup by adding your name and profile picture. Next, write a brief bio that describes your skills and services. Fiverr will also ask for your skills and expertise, so be sure to fill this out accurately. Once you have completed your profile, click the Save button. Congratulations, you are now registered on Fiverr and ready to start offering your services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.